Peter Fraga from Florida, USA, talks about his experience with metabolic surgery for type 2 diabetes in Mexico.
I have a problem with the diabetes, and it was coming to the point where it was getting out of control, very difficult to control. I was in insulin shots, giving myself pretty much the maximum every day, and in the morning I would wake up and still be high. Communication went well. After I got a hold of Hazel, it took a day or so. There was a couple of questions, and I wanted to do it fast. I wanted to go through the process rapidly, and Hazel helped me through that process very well. Well, flight in Mexico is very good. I'm originally from the States. I live in Miami. I stayed in Mexico for a few days, and I came over to Guadalajara. Well, pickup was well. Everything went well. They were there on time. There was 2 different terminals, so they went to both. They sent 2 people to make sure that if we were in either one, that we would be picked up correctly. You get there and you're nervous. You don't look around, but after the operation, I was able to look around and get a better look, walk around, and it's very clean, very nice people, very attentive, and they really nothing that they couldn't do. Basically, they did for you everything they could do. They were very friendly. They were very attentive to you, and they checked on you various times during the night to make sure everything went well and everything was fine. Dr. Castañeda was great, but let me just emphasize the fact that when I was doing the study to do the bypass, there's very little information on him on the net. That sort of left me a little bit worried, but finally I was able to get a hold of a couple of people that had the operation with him. They talked very well about him, and that's what basically helped me motivate me to do the operation. Guadalajara as a city it's very nice. In the central downtown area of Guadalajara, there's a lot of you got the cathedral, and you've got a lot of things to see, and the doctor basically tells you that you should walk around after you get the operation. So that's why we were thinking about where we wanted to be, and we wanted to be in an area where we could walk around and see something and see things instead of just so Guadalajara itself is beautiful, and I invite you to come and visit. Even though the losing weight is a good benefit, I think if you have diabetes or high blood pressure, other things that this operation can help with, it's well worth it. I've seen a change in my blood pressure when I checked in, and my sugar, my levels were at over 200 since the operation so far, and it's too soon to really expect any better. They've been below 200. So there's a good gain there. I'm still taking insulin, but I'm taking a lot less dosage compared to what I used to take, and it's a lot easier to keep control. Another thing is that as far as the experience, it was very good. I was able to see part of Mexico that very few get to see. At the same time, it's very as far as expenses, it's very reasonable compared to the States, and also a very good place to visit.
Medical Tourism Corporation facilitates affordable medical and dental treatment at world-class international hospitals and clinics. Fill out the estimate request form on our site, medicaltourismco.com, for a free quote and more information.